What's up, you guys? Hey, it's Lacey. Bro, why am I so awkward? Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Lacey. I don't know why I'm clapping my hands. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Lacey, back at it again with another video. What's up? Who let me have a YouTube channel? Today I'm gonna be messing around with some new products that I got while I was on spring break. There was a Morphe store in Houston, so picked up a couple things. So I guess I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna start with my Smashbox primer water. I'm just gonna spread that all over my face. I'm just gonna squeeze this on the back of my hand. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect. Do one little pump. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of, I forget what this is called. Oh, Maybelline Fit Me. I don't want my lips looking all crusty. Okay, I'm just gonna set all of that concealer and foundation with the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I hate myself for doing that. I just push this into this. Okay, now that that is all set in place, I'm gonna move on to bronzer. So I use the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends. It's like shade 30, I think. And I just use this to warm up my face a little bit. I go on my cheeks, forehead, and down my nose, and then on my jawline. And then I just deepen it up a little bit more with contour. Just use this Smashbox contour palette thinger. This. Move on to blush. I use this Burt's Bees, I think shade Bare Peach. And pretty much all the brushes that I use are from Morphe because they're pretty affordable and they're really good quality. I'm gonna dip into this little bit for like a more pinky blush. I don't know what brand this is, but my brother's girlfriend gave it to me, so shouts out to Lizzie. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit. Well, Kylie did, but I'm going to do my brows. So this will be the start of the eye look. Ew. And I'm a broke bitch, so I use this Maybelline, oh my god. I use this Maybelline Total Temptation brow thing definer in the shade Blonde. So I just go through with the spoolie that comes on the end and brush them up. And I don't start at the very beginning, I start like towards the middle where it's the thickest. And I just start to fill in with little tiny hair strokes. And I usually fill out the bottom first and then go to the top. And I'm just following my natural brow shape. The brows I'm doing today aren't going to be as defined. They're going to be just like more, what's the word I'm looking for?
Natural?
Yeah, they're going to be more natural. It's the time where I go to the front and I use the pointy side of this. Focus, yes, baby. Yeah, baby. Voila, first brow done. Fuck. Okay. Remember, ladies, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. That was sarcasm, but okay. I wasn't being serious! What do I do next? Oh, right. Eyeshadow! Okay, so I got this new Morphe palette. It's the 15B called Brunch Babe. And I've opened it once, but I put it back into the packaging for purpose of this video. To make it look like I just opened it. Oh, everything. I kind of want to mess with the pinks. And I also got a couple new brushes. One I have already, one's a new one. But the other ones are all dirty. Got the Morphe R39. And then the R38. I guess I'll start with, I don't know how to say that word, so I'm not gonna embarrass myself. Okay. So you want to use a transition shade, so you're not going straight in with like a pink shadow. It's easier to blend when you do this. So you want to use windshield wiper motions in little like circles. When you think she's blended enough, I'm going to switch over to a little blending brush. So this is the R39. I'll go into Parfait, which is this pink one right here. Looks like it's pretty pigmented, so I'm not going to use a lot, and I'm going to use a very light hand. You just want to put this under that shade that you just used, using the same motions and everything. And I want this to be a little bit more pigmented, so I'm going to go in with a little bit more. They kind of have a lot of kickback. I'm not seeing any fallout underneath my eyes, but like on the palette, like there's like a lot. Ooh, okay. There's not really a deeper pink than this, so this is like as much as I'm gonna do, I think, for like the matte colors, and then I'm gonna move on to a shimmer, and I just apply that with like my middle finger. It shows up a lot better when you use fingers instead of like a brush, but if you did want to use a brush and not your finger, I would use like a flat one like this, maybe not as thick, but I would use this and then put the powder or the eyeshadow on it and then spray it with like the Smashbox primer water, just so that it's a little bit more wet and it applies pretty easily. But I'm going to use my finger, and I think I might use Donuts, which I swatched earlier, so this one right here. I'm just gonna swirl my finger in here, and then I'll go on the inner corner of my eye. I won't cover my whole eyelid, and then I'll kind of blend it out with my matte shadow. So then I'm just gonna blend it back out with Parfait, that pink shade, and I'll just go around the edges here. I'm gonna just go back in with that first shade I used and blend it out a little bit more. Or under my lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the first shade I used again and just go right up under that super tight. And then again, I'm gonna go into Parfait, the pink shade, and just blend that out underneath. And I connect this right here. A little inner corner highlight here. I'm gonna go in with Whipped Cream, that first shade, and then just go right in the inner corner and blend it up a little bit. And then for a little bit more sparkle or like shimmer, I'm gonna go on top here with Bottomless Mimosa. It's a little bit of a gold shade. I'll just go right on the center. And then blend one more time with the pink shade. Okay, I'm going to do lashes, and then I'll do my other eye off camera. Oh, I forgot to use brow gel. Fuck. BRB. Honestly, this is the best I've ever put a lash on. Ooh, cute. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on. Also, I lost my Benefit Roller Lash on spring break in Dallas.
R.I.P.
So I had to get the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, which is fine because it's like a dupe for Better Than Sex, but I don't like Better Than Sex, so whatever. I just did this to connect the two. Alright, one eye's done. Let me do the other one off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. What I have left is highlight and lips. So before highlight, I want to use this new Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I just got it and I'm excited. Anyway, I'm just gonna spray all over my face and then I'll do highlight after because I like to have my face like a little bit wet when I do my highlight. So I just kind of usually just pounce my beauty blender on it just so all the powders kind of melt together. So time for highlight. I got this Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Wet Dreams. His little like sexual innuendos are so funny on his products. Okay, so it's this like golden highlight. The packaging is really cute. It's pink. And then it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the inside. Focus, boy. Alright, look how cute that is. I'm going to apply with a brush. My highlight brush is also from Morphe R36. You're kidding me. Wow, Jeffree just killing the game. And then I'm gonna put a little on my Cupid's bow. And then down the bridge of my nose lightly. I'm gonna go under my brow bone too. And I'm just gonna do that with my finger. I'm just gonna pat it in because I don't want it to be super strong. And I'm just gonna pat a little bit in the inner corner too to pull it all together. Wow, she's sparkly. So I'm gonna dust a little bit of it away. All over my face and then go in with my finger again and just kind of pat it here. Gotta give myself a little bit more of a spritz. And a sister spritz. Lipstick, I'm gonna go with like a little nude color. I found my roller lash! Oh my god! I'm just gonna use this Sephora one. Cream lip stain in the shade, I'm shaking, I don't know, 72. Okay, that's the finished look. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna get really close to you so you can see the eye look. I'm gonna do one of those slow-mo things where Okay guys, here's the finished look. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below, like the video, and turn the notification bells on so you know every time I upload. My Instagram, once again, is loveylacey_, same for Twitter. Not giving you my Snapchat, sorry, not sorry. And I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Disgusting. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.